We're talking about Aaron Pama. Officials say he and his brother in a Yuba City man are all facing charges. Your reporter covering Sutter County, Kayla Moeller, is getting answers on the investigation that led to those arrests.
The three men were arrested Thursday without incident. The Butte County DA's office says there is a hearing expected for Monday. And now two of these men were elected officials and very well known in this small, tight-knit community.
Actually, I was drawn back and I said, this is a joke. I know the brothers, the community knows them.
It's not a joke. The vice mayor of Live Oak, Aaron Pama, his brother and school board member Simran Pama, and Gurtej Singh of Yuba City were arrested Thursday on suspicion of arson and insurance fraud.
This has been a months-long investigation by our local CAL FIRE investigators that started out with an investigation of a fire to the west side of Butte County.
Assisting in the investigation, the FBI and the Butte County District Attorney's Office. DA Mike Ramsey says as they peeled the onion, it became evident something was off after an insurance policy was taken out on a property just 3 months before a fire happened in February 2024.
The belief is that bought the home, burnt the home, collected the insurance, and did a number of lies and fraudulent activity to get that money.
CAL FIRE investigators determined Singh, a friend of the Pama brothers, transferred 50% of ownership of the property to them 1 month after purchasing it. The DA says it's also possible the three men were frauding the U.S. Department of Agriculture by buying the property with false claims through a loan.
I'm sure it's a shock to the family. I'm sure it's a shock to their colleague, a shock to the community because we thought they were, the deal.
This Live Oak resident says Vice Mayor Pama was elected with overwhelming support. Now he's calling on the city to hold a special election to replace him. The city said in a statement, the city of Live Oak is aware of the recent arrest of Councilmember Aaron Pama. At this time, the city is monitoring the situation and will continue to assess any developments as more information becomes available.
It's just disappointing. I have resolved in the city that we will come out of this.
The DA's office says the profits in this alleged conspiracy total more than $200,000. The three men are currently in the Butte County Jail, being held on a $1 million bail each. But the investigation is still ongoing.
There very well may be other arrests and activity going out of this conspiracy.
All right, so the DA's office says a fourth person is wanted linked to this investigation. Now, Kayla reached out to the Live Oak Unified School District, which Simran is a school board member of, but did not hear back.